Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 7. This is Section 3.2, Problem 7. It says, use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement. And we have two numbers, 8.63 and 8.603. And at a quick glance, you might say, well, you know, they look like they might be the same. This one has more digits, but one of them is a 0, and like zeros don't count. But that's not the case. One is bigger. Really, the way you need to determine this, start at the leftmost digit, make a comparison, and if there's a tie, move in one digit to the right, one at a time. So when we start at the leftmost, they're both 8, that's the same. So now I'll move over one digit to the right, they're both 6, that's the same. So now I'll move one digit to the right. One number has a 3, the other has a 0. So now here's where we clearly determine that 3 is larger than 0, so the number that has a 3 in that spot is the larger value. 8.63 is larger than 8.603. So I want to choose the inequality symbol where the open end of the symbol faces the larger value. So the open end of my inequality symbol must face 8.63.